What's up, Fit Gamers? Joey B/3 here, back again with the Fit Gamer Fight Move. This choreography comes from Call of Duty Modern Warfare, the new one. You play that game, right? But he really likes Rainbow Six Siege better. This is the 3 strikes finishing move. In one hand, we have the knife in the reverse grip. In the other, we got the forward grip. Check out this execution. So you saw that from the gameplay and the reenactment. This move is very direct. It first starts off with a thrust straight to the shoulder joint here, and that makes the opponent drop the weapon. I use the knife here to pull the opponent towards me, and he tries to counter with a hook. That's where the other hand comes in. I block, and then right here, we come underneath and lift this above our head. This is setting up for the slash with the knife in the forward grip, right to the tricep there as we follow through. And then right away, we're gonna follow through with a thrust straight to the lungs to finish them off. A few things we liked about this particular move was I like that you have one knife in the reverse grip and one knife in the forward grip. That was pretty unique. You don't really see that in any other of these finishing moves in Call of Duty. One more thing that we liked about this particular choreography was that it was very direct. Started with the thrust, but we didn't like that he thrusted to the shoulder. If this is a finishing move, why aren't you just thrusting straight to the spine, to the base of the neck, to the brain stem? Because it's got to look cool and it's for a video game, you idiot. One main thing that we didn't like was that from the thrust to the shoulder, the opponent drops the weapon. That's not necessarily going to mess with your grip. I mean, if he actually thrusts to the shoulder and I'm turning him here, he can actually probably use his weapon to hit and things like that. So that's one thing that we really didn't like and we thought was maybe a little unrealistic. So there you have it for this Fit Gamer Fight move. Again, Call of Duty, the 3 strikes with the double knife here. Thanks to Chris for helping me out with this one. Oh, he's dying so well. If you guys like this video, give it that thumbs up. Look at that, my thumb is a knife. Be sure to leave a comment down below what you guys thought of this particular move from Call of Duty. And as always, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more from this game and other games that you guys have requested. As always, game on. Stay fit and keep on training your double knife to finish off this guy. Slicer, sigga da dicer.